To show you how to mask something, an object or an image in Inkscape 1.0. So I have these objects here that I want to use to mask the faces here. You can use any object at all. We are going to see the effects depending on the opacity of the object that I choose. If the object is maybe white or lighter, we'll see the face better than when it's darker. Let's look at how it's performed. I'll start with white. So I select this white object here. Oh, sorry, I have to go to the selection tool and then I move it to the face. Now this is selected, so I go to shift to select also this, so both are selected. Now I go to object, mask, and then set. You see, what the mask tool does is it acts more or less like the clipping tool or the clip tool. I have a video on that also, a tutorial on that, you can watch it if you want. It crops this part, it makes this part also transparent. And what is the difference? You see the difference. The only difference from the mask and the clip is that depending with the clip, it just clips it and that's it. It doesn't care about the opacity of the objects you have, but the mask it does. Now let's try with maybe this color here and see what will happen. So I select it and then I select and move to the face, and then I go to shift and I select both. I now go to object, mask, and set. You see it's a bit blur. It's a bit blur because the opacity of the object that I used was not very it was a bit opaque than the white one. Let's try something like the green and see what will happen. We select this, we bring it maybe here. Yes, it's already selected, so we select this and then to object, mask, set. Okay, if you see, it's also a bit, it's blurrer than the white one, but it's clearer than the gray, the other one that I had, which was a bit darker. So let's choose something like this opaque object here, because if you see it's much more. We do this, we bring you here, and then we shift to select both. Now we go to object, mask, set. You see, because it was darker, you couldn't, it's much blurrer. But in case you really want to mask the thing very well, then you can use a darker shade. Now we go through we choose this yellow here. I select, you always select with the selection tool, and then this is the object here. We place it and then shift to select both. I go to object, mask, set. See, because yellow, look at the yellow, it's a bit, maybe it's not very clear to you, but this is clearer, the white one, because white is transparent more than the yellow. This you can see better than this. Let's try, should we try this? Okay, we try this. We take this, we select it, we move it there. Very good. Go to shift, we select both to select both, and then we go to object, mask, set. Oh, you see, this blurred it really. It means it's the opacity, it's higher than obviously the yellow or this. Now let's see another thing, just to tell you what if you go to object, mask, if you want to release or reverse what you did, you go to mask and then go to release, and then you come back to what you had. I would want to try this and then we finish with this series. I'm sorry, I want to select only this, and then let's try this. Blur this, we go to shift, select all, and then we go to object, mark, set. Oh, you see, this is what came out of it. So that's how the mask tool works in Inkscape 1.0. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to help me. Thank you. Bye.